Hi, Ron Benning here with a Sacramento Duplex Market update for the period ending April of 2025. Let's look at the key developing market trends and what the target break-even GRM is for Sacramento Duplexes. Developing trends leave evidence. Watch to the end to see what is likely to happen soon. April 2025 was a seller's market for duplexes in the Sacramento area. We currently have only a 2.8 month supply of duplexes. The number of active listings is up 56.7% from a year earlier and up by 28% compared to the previous month. This marks a continued upward trend in inventory over the past 5 months. So with all this inventory, how can we only have a 2.8 month supply? It is because of the closed sale numbers. Closed sales in April were up 6.3% from last year at this time, but a shocking 70% higher than the previous month. The average days on the market for sold listing was only 24 days in April, which is a 41.5% drop from the previous month, but still 9.1% longer than last year at this time. Pending sales were up 5.6% compared to the previous month, but up 50% compared to last year at this time. So despite 5 months of rising inventory, the large spike in sales cleared out some of the inventory to bring the month supply back from a neutral market into a seller's market in April. Duplexes in April 2025 sold for about 98% of the original asking price, translating to a buyer bargaining power of approximately 2%. The average list price and sold price were effectively unchanged during the last 30 days. So what caused the big increase in pending sales and closed sales? As you can see, mortgage rates have been falling for the past few months and are down nearly 0.75% from the peak a few months ago. Keep in mind the rate for a duplex is about 0.5% higher than the base rate that you see on the screen. Talk to a mortgage professional to get a more precise rate with an APR. So how does this translate to the duplex market? These lower rates make the duplex cash flow a little bit better. At the average sale price, assuming 25% down, it would still take a GRM of about 11.94 to break even right now. If you're enjoying this analysis and you're not already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now so that I can continue to keep you informed about investing in the Sacramento area. So what's likely to happen over the next month or two in the duplex market? What happens with the interest rates is still going to be the primary driver. Based on improving interest rates, interest in duplexes may pick up. It's very likely that the huge spike in sales in April will be more than offset by the new inventory that is coming on the market in May. In the first 2 weeks of May, inventory has shot up by over 15% to the highest level I've seen in several years. In the short term, I would expect the inventory levels may continue to go up over the next 30 days, but don't expect any big changes in prices over the next month or two. For potential sellers, pricing competitively will be a must due to the growing inventory levels, and the pricing should be based on cash flow. I go into this in more detail in my May 4plex update at the 3-minute and 30-second mark. You may want to watch that if you want more details about that. If you want a rent analysis or an update on your property's value, call me or look for a link in the description below to get these services. For buyers, I wouldn't be expecting rates to come down much more than a smidgen over the next 30 days. But with the largest selection of duplexes in the past couple of years, there will be plenty to choose from and hopefully a little bit more flexibility in price over the next month or so. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling in the next 7 days or 7 months, feel free to give me a call or text me so that I can answer your questions and I will help you plan a smooth purchase or sale transaction.